Hi, I'm Ian Varley, CEO of Eagle Business Credit, and welcome to Eagle Eye. Today we're going to talk in a little bit of detail about UCC filings and what that means for you as a business owner, specifically if you're looking for new forms of finance. Well, a UCC filing is where a secured lender will record the fact that they own certain assets or have taken certain collateral from you and your business as part of a financing agreement that they signed with you. Why is that important? You need to understand which assets are encumbered when you're looking for new forms of finance. You don't want it to slow you down in your ability to obtain new leases or new loans if a lender has filed what's called a blanket UCC filing on certain assets that may then be encumbered and you want to leverage them and get finance. The good news is with factoring at Eagle Business Credit, we're always going to help you and understand what UCC filings you have out there as part of an application for receivables finance. And the even better news is that we can work with many companies that have a number of UCCs in place. You don't have to be completely free of UCCs in order for us to work with you. We're only interested in filing a secured statement or UCC-1 filing on your receivables. That's the asset that we're going to leverage, where we're going to accelerate your cash flow and help you grow your business. To do that as a secured lender, we'll want to have a first position on your receivables. So as part of the application, we're going to look and see what other loans you may have in place, or if there's a lease for certain equipment, and see what the UCC filings are that are currently in existence. We're going to help you if there are other UCC filings in place. If there are any that should have been terminated already, we'll help you clean that up. But factoring can work alongside many lenders, including PPP loans. If you've got the Paycheck Protection Program, or another loan from the Small Business Administration, they more than likely have filed a UCC on your business that will encumber certain assets. They may have filed a blanket position, which will uncover all your assets. So the good news is we are very, very experienced in getting subordinations or releases on the receivables from other secured lenders. It's possible that you have a bank and their primary form of security should be some real estate, but again, they took a blanket lien, a blanket UCC-1. We can talk to the bank through you to say, will you please release or subordinate your interest that's caught by this UCC across to Eagle Business Credit so that we can be in first place on that collateral and proceed with your application. So again, if you have PPP or an SBA loan, we work very closely with those parties in order to get the subordination. It's actually a very smooth and easy process. We'll only find out about it if you apply. We'll then be happy to help you look at what UCCs you have in place and possibly uncover something that shouldn't be there. So as a business owner, you definitely want to be aware what secured parties have filed on you and what assets. It's a matter of public record with the Secretary of State for the state that you are registered in. And we'll help you get to the bottom of that information. And again, we can work with other UCCs being in place, so don't let that put you off in applying for accounts receivable finance through Eagle.